Good evening, everybody. I hope you all are doing absolutely well. And if you are thinking about me, I'm doing good as well. In this video, I'll teach you guys how to create profile link on Reddit if you want someone to find you, or if you want to share your link or your profile with somebody across different medias or different social platforms. So to create your link or to share your profile, you must go into your Reddit account via your app, or you can even use browser for this. I'm using an app right now. So after you're on your home page, you need to search for the profile icon, which will be at the top corner right here. So after you click on that, you must go into my profile, and after you are here at the top right corner, there is the share button that you need to click on to share your profile with anyone across different platforms. So after you are on this page, you need to click on share profile, which will be at the bottom right here. And after clicking on that, you can click on any medias that you want to send on, or you want to share your profile on. You can share on different profiles such as Twitter, Alibaba, CapCut, Pinterest, WhatsApp messages, Drive, Gmail, Messenger, Facebook, and Instagram as well. So you just click on one of these icons that you want to send on, and it will be sent to the person that you choose after you click on that icon. So I believe I've taught you guys how to create profile link on Reddit and how to share your profile link to anybody across different medias. You can even copy from there, from media that you have sent, and you can send it across different platforms as well. So if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.